Hi friends, I am Naveen K from final year mechanical engineer from Batista Engineering College. I'm going to explain how to draw the muff coupling. I like to share some small ideas about muff coupling by using CATIA software. First of all, we ensure that we should know the basis of CATIA software. And second thing is we want to know how to read the 2D drafting. Right, I will show you the 2D drafting. This is the 2D drafting of muff coupling. There are three parts. One is muff and another one is shaft and the last one is key. Key plays the major roles in this part. It locks the two part and the muff and shaft. Let's go to the software. Select the part design and now we are going to draw muff. So type it muff. First of all, we want to select the plane according to the given diagram. I am usually take the front view. Select the front view. Go to the sketch. Now I'm going to draw muff. See here, the muff is looks like a hollow cylinder. So I'm going to draw the two circles. Sorry. And then give the dimension to the circle. Outer diameter is 68 diameter and inner diameter is 25. 68, 25. Outer is 65 mm and inner is 25. Then I'm going to draw the keyway. It is easy to draw the keyway. Just draw the rectangle over the inner circle. And then give the dimension to the keyway. See, the width is 8 mm and the height is not mentioned, but they given the dimension between from here to here, that is 27. Width is 8 and the distance between here to here is 27. And we want to remove the unwanted lines. So I'm using trim option. We need to take this line, this and this. That's it. Once we completed the muff. By clicking exit workbench, here only we are going to convert 2D diagram into 3D diagram by using pad option. The length of the muff is 88. I am using 44 mm because I am giving mirror extension option. From here to center point is 44 and here to here is 44. Totally 88 mm. That's it. We completed the muff. Select it, save. And next we are going to draw the shaft. Create a new folder and name it as shaft. Shaft is very easy, just like the cylinder. Just draw only one circle. Its diameter is 25. Select the plane, go to sketch, draw the circle. And the diameter is 25. Because the inner diameter of the muff is equal to the outer diameter of the shaft. See here, the inner diameter of the muff is 25 and the outer diameter of the shaft is also 25. Next, we need to draw the keyway. First we want to draw only the shaft. Then only we make the keyway. Here we have to convert the 2D into 3D. The length of the shaft is The length of the shaft is 60. This length is our wish based on our convenient. I am giving 60 plus 20. 60 plus 20, 80. I am completed the shaft. Now I have to create the keyway here. So I select this face and go to the sketch. Just to draw the rectangle. Give the dimension. With this 8 and the distance from here to here is 21. And remove the unwanted lines. No need to remove the lines because the upper portion is going to take the shaft. So no need to remove the line. Go to the exit workbench. We need to take this section by using pocket option. You no need to take the full way. You just need to take 60 mm. So I'm going to change 80 into 60. Now see here, there is a small curve. We want to give the radius here by giving fillet option. You can put it 2, 3 or 4 based on your wish. I always prefer 2. So see here, the curve is applied. Save the shaft. And create the another folder for the key. Select the plane and go to the sketch. Draw the small rectangle. Give the width and the height of the rectangle 8 into 7. Here is 8 and the height is 7. Then go to exit workbench and convert it into 2D into 3D. And the length of the key is 98. I'm using mirror extension, so I'm using 98 by 2. That's it. Once we completed the key now, save it. And then we are going to assemble the 3 parts here. Go to mechanical designing, select the assemble. First insert the muff. It is loading. We need to fix the diagram by using fix component. I am using fix the muff. Then insert the shaft. The shaft is come in this side. And then we need to align every part over there. That's it. And then bring the another shaft. The shaft is sitting here. we need to take it out by using manipulation option. And again we need to constrain this one by using assign. We need to join this one and this one and give the fix. Then the shaft is come here, and we want to rotate the shaft. The keyway has to come here. So I'm giving the constraint. This is rotate option. Rotated and bring the keyway to here. See here. And then we need to constrain the two keyways. This one and this one. Same side. Okay. Finally, we need to insert the key. Key went to somewhere. So we need to take the key by using split option. By clicking this, the whole part will be divided into somewhere like this. Now we take the key from here. Take it outside. Then give the fix option to rejoin the path. Now you can see the shaft and muff are some distance. We need to brought the center to the muff by giving assign from this plane to this plane, placing 0. Then the both center will be in same side. See here, and hide the muff. And next is we want to take the key here to here by using constraint. Select this path under this opposite side, and the next one is select this one and this one opposite. Okay. And finally we need to move the key here to here. So I just place the distance from here, center this plane to center this plane is place 0. By making 0, automatically the key will come to the center of the shaft. That's it. Again unhide it. Now we completed the muff coupling. That's it, friends. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. I thank to our college for giving this opportunity. Thank you.